Honda Vario is an automatic transmission motorbike produced by Astra Honda Motor in Indonesia. It was first launched in 2006. Its presence was intended to anticipate the scooter market, which at that time was controlled by Yamaha with its Mio. Since it was first born, its work has been very popular with efficient fuel consumption, masculine and modern models. Honda Vario when it was still a 110 cubic centimeters engine capacity. Along with the development of motorcycles, scooter from Honda had experienced several engine changes. From 110 cubic centimeters, 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters to the latest using a 160 cubic centimeters capacity mechanical heart. Technological evolution also underwent a reshuffle, from the carburetor to injection. The following is the journey of the Honda Vario in Indonesia. First generation Honda Vario, 2006. This generation is a form of anticipation from Astra Honda Motor, AHM, for the growing popularity of scooters in Indonesia. The Honda Vario was immediately in demand by the people of the country because it was the first scooter to circulate with liquid cooling. It comes with a more attractive design than its opponent. The model is quite futuristic, by adapting the dual lights located on the front body shield. Slightly boxed body lines, as well as dimensions that are larger than Mio. Automatically, gives a masculine impression. In the early generations, only provided one engine choice. Equipped with a clean 108 cubic centimeters SOHC pacemaker, with a size, diameter X-step, of 50 by 55 millimeters. The compression is made quite dense at a ratio of 10.7 to 1. The results of the engine specifications produce 8.99 PS of power at 8,000 RPM and 8.4 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. He is classified as revolutionary because of the embedding of liquid cooling technology that has not been adapted by his rivals. In terms of features, the Vario is also superior to the parking brake lock and side stand switch, which ensures that the engine cannot start if the side stand is forgotten to be lifted. Honda Vario Techno, 2009. After 3 years, AHM launched the latest generation. Used the name Vario Techno. The manufacturer overhauled its appearance and looks much more modern. The dimensions are a little more gambot and the design is more futuristic, especially the separate model headlamp whose lines are more tapered and longer upwards. Stop lamp also underwent revision. The proportions are more pleasing to the eye than the previous version. Nothing has changed in terms of the engine. The specifications are still exactly the same, relying on the Kihen AVK22 carburetor to supply gasoline. As a result, the resulting power output is also the same. But there are several new technologies embedded in the Honda Vario Techno. Namely the Combi brake system braking system. This is the beginning of the Vario generation using rate-stopping technology called CBS. The purpose of embedding CBS is to maximize braking. This system works by combining the front and rear brakes that act simultaneously. The trick: simply pull the brake lever on the right and the system automatically works. According to Honda's claims, this is very influential in a shorter braking distance. Honda Vario PGMFI, 2013. In this generation, AHM raised the class and changed the segmentation of the Honda Vario. There have been many changes, starting from an increasingly gambot design to fit a helmet in. Not only the shape, the pacemaker sector is also improved. Without eliminating the 110 cubic centimeters variant, Honda equipped this motorbike with a larger engine choice, 125 cubic centimeters. The petrol supply system was also updated. Initially the fuel atomizer changed to injection, PGMFI. The new engine concoction has an impact on its performance. Power output can reach 11.3 PS at 8,500 RPM and torque of 10.7 Nm at 5,000 RPM. Much improved from before. The tank capacity, which was 3.6 liters, was also enlarged to 5.5 liters. Added idling stop system feature in order to improve fuel efficiency. This system stops the engine when idle for more than 3 seconds. With that, no gasoline is wasted. When you want to turn it on, you don't need to press the starter switch anymore, just pull the gas and the motor automatically starts. In addition, the Vario 125 is also equipped with an ACG starter, which makes it silent when the motor is started. This is also AHM's answer to the many inputs regarding the rough sound of the previous version of the Vario starter.